Of course, the song starts from called Michel Schoenberg and Lulu Les Miserables, which is in its 25th anniversary at the moment. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you go and see the new production. Fantastic. I saw it at the Millennium Centre. You were there as well. Your face looks familiar. Were you there? You were. What's your name? Laura. Anyway, heno ma, i mynd I ganu amrywiaeth o ganeuon I chi yn Gymraeg a Saesneg a hefyd ambell un arall gyda'r côr. Tonight I'm going to perform some English songs, some Welsh songs, and some with the choir as well, in this fantastic orchestra. This next one, I'm sure you all know it, by Ryan Davies. Mae'r gan nesaf yma, gan anfarwol Ryan Davies, Pan Fo'r Nos yn Hir.